Welcome back to Epic World Projects. Today, we bring you the latest construction highlights from Spotify Camp Nou Barcelona, the future home of FC Barcelona's next-generation stadium. The biggest milestone this week is the completion of the third cantilever. All structural plates are now mounted, marking a major step toward the stadium's final shape. Next, tower cranes will begin installing prefabricated staircases and compression ring columns, expected in early December. Following the cantilever's contour, workers have placed blue sheets ahead of the next concrete pour. Only one segment remains on the north goal, while the south curve finished yesterday. Cranes are reinforcing supercolumns under the second cantilever, with final concreting set to begin soon. At the south goal, concrete pumps and machinery are active around the main structures. New metal safety railings are being added along staircases as temporary barriers are removed. Lower zones show progress on stair and elevator cores, preparing beams for the ceramic facade. The ceramic fins are taking shape, with mounting brackets and frames now installed. Each fin is custom-made for its position, ensuring precision. Once painted black, these beams will enhance the stadium's modern identity. The lateral stand remains one of the busiest areas. Recent work includes corner reinforcement, concrete pouring, and barrier organization. At ground level, drainage pipelines have been rerouted, and new panels are sealing open sections, signaling near completion. In the parking zone, wooden formwork is being set for the next concrete pour. These structures will form new vehicular ramps. Nearby, supercolumns are almost enclosed, paving the way for compression ring pillars, the next big phase. Along the facade, the first diamond-shaped steel frame is complete, a glimpse of the stadium's signature design. Work on the remaining frames continues, with insulation panels and glass enclosures next in line. At the north goal, soil is being filled to stabilize the ramp near La Masia. This will prepare the ground for upcoming excavation and concrete stages. Above, scaffolding is rising around the second cantilever, with slab casting to follow. Inside the main tribune, welding and beam assembly continue around the stair cores, forming the base for VIP and media areas. Week by week, the Spotify Camp Nou transformation becomes clearer. The structure now shows its full silhouette: lateral facades, supercolumns, and cantilevers in place. Once complete, it will stand as a symbol of innovation, heritage, and sustainable design. That's all for today's update from Epic World Projects. If you enjoyed this professional walkthrough of Camp Nou's progress, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cinematic updates on the world's most ambitious construction projects. Stay tuned. More on-site coverage coming soon. Visca Barça.